our Igniting Discovery grants are grants that provide some seed money to researchers who have a great idea to move the field forward. And the fields that I'm talking about are spanning a wide range of different disciplines and a lot of different health problems that affect the people right here in Windsor, Essex. We are sponsoring researchers from all different career stages, and really these are in many ways igniting new research programs, new ideas, bringing new teams together that can transform the health landscape right here in Windsor, Essex. Tackling our biggest health challenges requires a thriving research environment, and that involves all of us. So thank you so much to our sponsors and to our donors, and congratulations to our recipients. We look forward to all that you will accomplish.
The Windsor Cancer Research Group is excited to be supporting Dr. Ing's new research project here in Windsor, Essex. He's a local researcher that is going to be bringing in opportunities for not only our students to be involved in local cancer research, but for collaborations with other researchers as well. And we really could not have done this without our donors, who through their generous donations has been able to elevate local cancer research here right in Windsor, Essex. Our success is their success.
Very excited to receive this initial support for a project to look at carbohydrates on the surface of certain kind of cancer cells, how that could be exploited for detection through antibodies, for diagnostics as well as for treatments. The target that we're looking at is treatment of specific childhood cancer, neuroblastoma. But there's limitations with using this current approach, and it has to do with sort of side effects and specificity. So, our approach by sort of trying to understand the molecular basis for how these antibodies are recognizing this particular carbohydrate on the cell surface, we think that we can create something that's much more specific, that avoids the side effects, and then ends up being a treatment that would be much more useful for larger number of patients, and perhaps I think also not just in neuroblastoma, but some other important cancers as well. And so this initial seed funding is really important for us to try to get this project started, because it's so difficult to find funding for new ideas. But we think that starting with this, we'll be able to develop this project into something that will be of real use and real novelty to help improve cancer diagnostics and treatments for many people in the future.
Hi, as the Clinical Research Director of the Windsor Cancer Research Group, we just want to say thank you to our donors for helping us support this new research grant right here in Windsor. We know that centers that do research have an improved outcome for their patients, and we're so excited to be able to move cancer research forth here in Windsor. Thank you so much.